Hello class, we're going to move into week 2 on tomorrow, which will be your day 1, Tuesday. So I'm going to give you a mini lesson on what your discussion assignment post should look like for discussion number 1. It's going to be over the learning connection inventory. So you have 3 things that are required in a post. The first is after you complete the LCI and the instructions are listed on the website, that you will list your scores, your level of usage, which use first, and whether you are a bridge, dynamic, or a strong will learner. So for my results, I was a strong will learner. For sequence, I was 26 score, use first. Precision, 27 score, use first. Technical reasoning, 25 score, use first. Confluent, 26, use first. So the second bullet asks you to describe a specific time where you use these learning patterns and how that you use the levels, and provide examples of at least 3 to 5 sentences. So I'm only going to look at one of those categories to show you what it looks like for 3 to 5 sentences for one of the learning patterns, but you are going to be required to provide this information for each of the 4 learning patterns. So I picked sequence to use as an example. And in sequence, it's important for me to function daily without frustration and stress. I schedule out every awake hour of my day to make sure I exercise, work on my dissertation, and complete my Ashford University responsibilities. I also schedule breaks to cook, eat with my girls, and play Candy Crush. This helps me to not get overwhelmed. My phone alerts me when to stop and to go to bed to make sure I get enough sleep. So that's how I use my sequence at a use first. The next bullet states that you have to analyze how the awareness of the learning pattern, how now that you have the knowledge of the results, and I hope you print these out because you're going to need them throughout the rest of the course. How is this information helpful for you? For me, it was helpful for my awareness of my learning patterns, helped me to ensure I do not push myself so hard that I am stressed. As a strong will learner, I understand that I can work till the job is done without taking time to breathe and reflect. The knowledge I've gained from the LCI helps me to use each in a way that accomplishes the task at hand but allows me to function in a healthy manner. So this is an example of how you need to provide the information for your first discussion post due on day 3, which is on Thursday. Any questions or concerns, please feel free to click the Ask Your Instructor or send me an email. Thank you.